Good morning. We are now heading down to the boat to do some photography up the river and film some B-roll. So good morning, we are now on the boat and we have driven down the river and we are stopped in the shade for a quick break. We might fly the drone again and just having a nice peaceful calm morning for once. We had a very nice time going to down the river and it was a nice morning boat trip. We are at this really cool vintage car shop in Sedgefield. I gave my dad the other camera, so he is going to be vlogging for a bit. So let's show them that.
Give me a smile. Shop. Time to ski, baby.
Okay, so that was my dad vlogging when he went to go and get petrol. Comment below if you think my dad should start his own vlog. Left. Okay, so Ollie's gonna drive the lawnmower. Get the surfboard and then go for a surf party.
Well, you know.
We have got the surfboard now and we are ready to hit the water.
We saved them. Yeah, we saved them. And now...
This was a very good day. The vlog is now over.